Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this. Today, we're diving into Paxful, a peer-to-peer finance platform that facilitates buying and selling Bitcoin. This platform provides a marketplace where users can connect directly with each other to trade Bitcoin using a wide variety of payment methods. Think of it as a global online bazaar specifically for Bitcoin. Paxful emphasizes accessibility and aims to empower individuals worldwide, regardless of their location or traditional banking access, to participate in the crypto economy. One of Paxful's key features is the vast array of payment options it supports. Users can choose from hundreds of methods, ranging from gift cards and bank transfers to online payment systems and even cash deposits. This flexibility caters to a diverse user base and allows individuals to buy and sell Bitcoin using methods that are most convenient for them. This broad range of options also helps facilitate transactions in regions where traditional banking infrastructure might be limited. Security is a primary concern for any platform dealing with financial transactions, and Paxful implements various measures to protect its users. Escrow services are integrated into every trade, holding the Bitcoin securely until the transaction is completed successfully. This protects both buyers and sellers from potential fraud. Furthermore, the platform employs a robust dispute resolution system to handle any issues that may arise during a transaction. This system ensures that disputes are mediated fairly and efficiently, providing a layer of security for all parties involved. Paxful also encourages user reviews and ratings, allowing for transparency and accountability within the community. While Paxful offers a unique and accessible entry point into the world of Bitcoin, it's important to be aware of potential risks. As with any peer-to-peer marketplace, it's crucial to exercise caution and due diligence. Researching trading partners and understanding the terms of each transaction is essential. Paxful provides tools and resources to help users make informed decisions, such as user profiles, feedback systems, and educational materials. Utilizing these resources can significantly enhance the safety and security of your trading experience on the platform. Always remember to trade responsibly and be mindful of the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Stay informed about current market trends and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you're new to cryptocurrency, taking the time to learn about Bitcoin and its underlying technology is highly recommended before engaging in any trading activity.